Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS Grid tutorial on freeCodeCamp. And we're going to learn about the justify items property. So we can have the container justify all the contents horizontally. We can affect how they are aligned horizontally using this property and accept the same values as the previous ones where you just justify the individual item. So what we can do here is that we can just copy this justify content and we apply it to the container here. And we can play with the different values you have, such as start. And it starts here horizontally, and then center, and then end. And we see it's all aligned, so we don't have to do it individually as well, but we can do it individually. And then stretch is the default, like that. So for this exercise, they want us to center it horizontally. So it's at the center of each cell. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.